Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. Today, we are going to discuss the role of some famous scientists who have contributed a lot in this field. Okay, so let's start. First, we are going to discuss the contribution of Lavoisier. He was a French scientist. So, Antonio Lavoisier. Acha, so, what we are discussing here? Contribution of some famous scientists. Okay, the first which we are going to discuss, that is Lavoisier. Antoine Lavoisier, he was a French scientist. So few of his contribution was, first of all, he discovered the role of oxygen in combustion and in respiration process. So what is oxygen? That we have to know first. Oxygen is a gas that it's an element. Okay, oxygen is an element, and this we will get in gaseous form. Okay, that is very very essential uh, for our life, we will say. Okay, for all living plants and animals, they need oxygen. So this role of oxygen was discovered by this scientist Lavoisier. Okay, in respiration process and in combustion process. Combustion is in presence of oxygen. If we burn any fuel or if we burn anything, that is called combustion. So this role he has discovered, this scientist. Next, he named this gas. Okay, at first it was before this discovery of this thing, of this gas and all, uh, we didn't know the name, and uh, there must be someone who has to name this gas first, name this element first. So Lavoisier has done this. He named oxygen as well as hydrogen also. Okay, hydrogen is another gas which is again very very essential. Okay, so hydrogen, these two are very important element, we will say. So first of all, role of oxygen in combustion and respiration. Next, number two, number B, which we will say, that is he named oxygen and this, let me write, role of oxygen in combustion and respiration process. Next, number two, that is he named oxygen and named oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, next, he have given first the what say, this is a list of elements, uh, and later on this list has helped a lot to get the chemical nomenclature of the elements. Okay, now what is this, what is nomenclature? uh, Before the discovery of the elements, we didn't know the name, as well as we knew nothing about this. Okay, so this scientist, one after another, they have discovered these elements one by one, and they named these elements. Okay, so this is called nomenclature. Nomenclature means just giving a name to the element, so that we can identify it, so that we can denote it by a name. So this list was given, the first list was given by Lavoisier. The list of elements, we will say, he has just in a tabular form he wrote the names and all, and after that this contribution of Lavoisier helped a lot to get the nomenclature of the elements. So that was the third contribution of this scientist, we can say. Okay, next, this oxygen and hydrogen, these are the main component of water. That was again told by this. Okay, that water is a compound of oxygen and hydrogen. Water, how we write? We write H2O. This we are going to do in element compound chapter. So by this H2O we explain or we express water. Okay, so water is it's a compound of oxygen and hydrogen. This was first told by this scientist Lavoisier. Okay, next, the law of conservation of mass, that is also, hope you can see from this. Yes, okay, law of, so this is number 4, D, law of conservation of mass. Okay, what is this? Conservation means, you know this, I think in physics also you have learned about this. So conservation of mass means before any reaction and after any reaction, the total mass of the substance, that will remain conserved. Okay, that will not change, that will not vary. So this law was stated by this scientist. He gave this law. He was the first person who have given this law, and later on, after this, many other scientists worked on this, but first he gave this law of conservation of mass, that he told that in a chemical reaction there will be no change in mass. Okay, before the reaction and after the reaction, the mass will remain same. So this was the contribution of Lavoisier. So what was that? Let us recall it once. Role of oxygen in combustion and respiration, this was told by him. Next, he named oxygen and hydrogen. After that, along with this, he told that this oxygen and hydrogen, water is a combination of this two element, that is oxygen and hydrogen. That means in water we are going to get these two elements. That was also told by Lavoisier. Next, he first enlisted he made a list of the elements first, and then this was helped a lot to get the nomenclature, chemical nomenclature of the elements. Next, he was the first person. He was the first person who told about the law of conservation of mass. He has given this law. Okay, law of conservation of mass. So this was the role of Lavoisier. Next, we are going to know about another scientist. He was an English scientist, that is Robert Dalton. Okay, no, that is John Dalton. Sorry, this was John Dalton. He was a English scientist, and this is number 2. John Dalton. Okay, now he told about the atomic theory. Okay, what is atomic theory? John Dalton, he is famous for this atomic theory. We know that any element is made up with very teeny particles, tiny particles. These are called atoms. Okay, now these atoms, how means inside this atom, what other things are there, or how it looks like, or how this behaves, and all these things was told by this scientist John Dalton. Okay, and for this he is famous for his atomic theory. This is and along with this, John Dalton worked on the law of conservation of mass also. After Lavoisier, he worked on this, and he uh, got some new ideas, got some new he added some new points to this law. Okay, law of conservation of mass. So this too was John Dalton's contribution, we will say. But for the first one, that is for atomic theory, he is very famous. Next we have Mendeleev, who was a Russian chemist. Dmitry Mendeleev. This is number 3. Okay, he was a Russian chemist, Dmitry Mendeleev, and he was famous. Actually, he is famous for his periodic table. This chemist gave this periodic table. This is in tabular form. Whatever elements were discovered so far, that was in a tabular form he have arranged. And because of this table, it was very helpful for us to remember the names as well as their properties, their atomic numbers, everything. These things means a total concept, or a total what we can say, we can get so many informations from this periodic table. For any element, we can predict many things from the periodic table. We will get in a tabular form the all the properties and everything of the elements, so that it was very easy for us to remember all of these things. Okay, we can at a glance we can understand the property, or we can say many things for that particular element. Okay, by just getting the periodic table. So from the periodic table, it was very helpful for us to remember the each and every element, to know about each and every element. So that was the biggest contribution of Mendeleev, this periodic table. This is what this periodic table is, a tabular form. In a tabular form, he arranged the elements. Okay, so this was the uh, very biggest, we can call the biggest contribution of Mendeleev. Other than this, he listed many known elements. That means at by that time 63 elements were there. He has put those elements in this periodic table. He listed them, arranged the elements in order of increasing atomic mass and all. Okay, so atomic mass, this is a number. We will say atomic mass means the mass, or the mass of atoms, we will say. Okay, atomic mass means the mass of the atom, or weight of the atom. So according to that, the elements were arranged by Mendeleev. So this was that that's all for today. You just go through these things. Here especially the what we have to learn, the name of the scientist, and along with this their contribution, okay, their discovery or their contribution, whatever they have done, and for what we have to remember them. So that we have to learn properly. And if you go through the worksheet, you will understand what kind of question or what will be the type of question from this part. So you do that. Today's class up to this. Thank you.